This is the airstrip at Mungari Camp, Kutata 11 and Kutata 12, Zambeze Delta Safaris. This is where all hunts in this area begin. Hi, I'm Craig Boddington, and welcome to the Boddington Experience. You know, this area is probably best known as a wonderful place for Cape buffalo, but in the years I've come here, I've also watched the plains game really blossom. They do wonderfully effective anti-poaching. They've really invested in this area, and out there you see the results. Has a tremendous variety of antelope species. You know what? I don't know what we're going to find out there, but I know we're going to have a wonderful Boddington experience. This episode is brought to you by Hornady. Accurate, deadly, dependable.
Craig Boddington, decorated Marine, award-winning writer, hunter, adventurer. He's explored 6 continents to hunt over 300 species of big game, and he's not done yet. This is the Boddington Experience.
Hey boss, how are you? Good to see you. Hey Glenn, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Hey Poppy, how are you? Welcome to Mungari Camp, Kutata 11, coastal Mozambique, home base to Zambeze Delta Safaris.
Well, Craig, that Krieghoff shotgun is an excellent choice for our forest species.
This is a 20 gauge, but we've got the Hornady the Hornady turkey loads and with plated number 5 shot. I mean, plenty of gun. Yeah. You've got good shotguns, but what I kind of wanted to do was play with this one with a sight on it and see what happens. Let's just see if the pattern is on. I think that is a bit better.
I think we'll have a Sunni in.
Yeah.
That's about right. Eh?
Yeah.
2/3 of your pattern should be high. Yeah, the nickel plating just makes all the difference when you're shooting a skinned animal. Let's just go slowly down the level.
This is a place where wildlife abounds, great and small. In the thick forest, Livingston Sunni and blue duiker are found together. For the smallest antelope, there are several options: baiting, calling, and still hunting slowly. We've set a bait and we've tried to call. Then there's always the tried and true method of slowly walking forest roads, where the footing is quiet.
It's quite a good Sunni. Nice shooting, Craig. It was a perfect combination.
Yeah,
one shot and bowled him right over. Well done.
Yeah, that's a very nice Sunni.
And as you can see, the shotgun works so well getting through all these vines and entanglements.
Oh, you'll never shoot with a rifle? Well, Mark, this is one of the real specialties in your area, the Livingston Sunni.
It is, Craig, yeah. It's one of the animals that have really come back strong with the advent of anti-poaching, and as you saw this morning, we've seen several shootable males on our drive through.
Yeah, it's a perfect morning for them, and perfect game for the shotgun. You really don't want to shoot them with a rifle because you'll mess them up so badly. And they're just a beautiful little antelope, beautiful little buck.
And you're right, a shotgun's essential here with all the undergrowth and creepers and just to get through.
Yeah,
good choice.
Really are pretty. What you often see is the tail moving.
That's it, yeah. Just keeps swishing to keep the flies off and keep them moving.
Well, he's a beautiful little thing. He's incredibly long, sharp horns for their size. Well, that's sure a good one. This segment is brought to you by Craig Boddington Endorsed Outfitters.
Have you ever had malaria, Craig?
Yes.
Picked up on some.
In coastal Mozambique, some species are found in the forest, while others abound out on the open floodplains.
You put a round in there. We'll just slowly walk and see what he'll let us, how close he'll let us get.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to pop on those sticks here?
No, I'm not thinking.
Give you a bit more of a rest. How's that feeling?
Oh, this is fine.
Yeah, okay, all right. Let's just slowly walk behind him. See if you let us get up back to about 300 again.
Out here it takes patience. Often, if you walk slowly at an angle, you can gain ground, but the shot won't be close.
How's that feel? Mm-hmm.
Fine.
Okay, just hold on. He might turn again. Oh, if he turns for us. Okay.
Bad angle.
Yeah. Let's move up, pick up, and we'll just move to the edge of this next piece here. Just the steady and it went past the right.
Below the back line.
And squeeze your trigger.
Oh no.
No, you hit him.
I see.
Yeah, you see the blood. I think let's just give him a little while. It might be just under the heart. We're just going to walk up really slowly.
Okay.
Make up those feet. I don't want to make a big noise. I think he's still alive, but he's lying flat. And just going to shoot him straight between the shoulders. His back is towards you this way.
Okay.
Not too bad, eh?
Dead?
I think so. You just come on the side and you just still keep yourself on the ready. Watch the shoulder. Donna, that was some mighty fine shooting. 360 yards.
Well,
You know, we might have thought it was a little low, but I believe he's stone dead from it, so it couldn't have been a little low.
couldn't be
Eh?
that bad.
He would have just bled out low, eh? But that's a very good hartebeest. Very, very nicely shot.
Feel it
That wasn't
again.
easy, eh? Well done, Donna. This is a wonderful Liechtenstein's hartebeest.
It is.
And as you notice, they live out in the open plains here.
Yeah, this wasn't easy to get up on.
And every step you take forward, he takes 5 back.
This is the hartebeest of southern Tanzania and,
Yes.
and parts of Zambia.
That's right.
Yeah, it's odd to me that they're here, but You got a lot of them.
Well, we do indeed. We do indeed. And Donna, that's a really good trophy.
He's
got
beautiful.
good bases. It bells nicely and nice long tips. Well done.
A lot of character. Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
And tasty, too.
Very good eat.
Thank you.
Well done. Mm. This segment was brought to you by Legendary Arms Works. This segment is brought to you by Leupold, America's Optics Authority. Today we're hunting with Dr. Sadaf Khan and Glenn Haldane. Sadaf is looking for a sable antelope. They're plentiful here, but always a great prize. This is a good lone bull, coal black and very mature. He's right at the edge of the floodplain, so there's cover for stalking. The bull is a long way out. She'll need to hold a bit high with her 375.
The shoulder is aimed that much higher, above her shoulder. So you're shooting into air.
Okay, that much.
But aim, okay, you're going to aim this much above his back.
Above his back.
Okay.
Oh my god! Great, like, oh my gosh!
Sorry, you were going to say great pH. What
That was a great pH! Like, how far is that?
Close to 300. That's a nice sable, eh?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice and old. Look how grey he is.
Oh, is that where he's beginning to grey out? Oh my god, he's beautiful.
And dial stuff.
I've had an amazing day here today with Zambeze Delta Safaris. I mean, just
And Glenn
beyond.
Haldane is awesome.
He is awesome. We put a stalk on this amazing sable here that was just watching us, and we stalked him, and Glenn did an amazing job guiding me. We got to the fringe of trees back there, and this guy was watching us the whole time, and we couldn't go any further without really having him scare and run off. And I don't know, Glenn said take a shot, and I did. I followed his instructions to a T, and this thing went down, and I'm super excited about the rest of the week. You know, this is an amazing place, and anybody wants to come and hunt, they need to come here, because I'm just totally amazed by the ecosystems here and the animals. It's just amazing.
And now, a conservation minute from SCI, First for Hunters.
Welcome to Safari Club International Convention. We're here in Las Vegas.
And we're here with Jim Miranda of African Sporting Creations. You know, Jim, you're kind of a one-stop shop if you're getting ready for safari. You got all kinds of great stuff.
And SCI is a great place to show new product, and that's what we really look forward to coming here. Direct consumer feedback on new items, and also showcase the new things and talk about, you know, what's coming.
What's new? What's exciting this year?
Well, Craig, I mean, you've been a plank holder. When we started this business 13 years ago, you were the first ones to give us press, and you really were there at the very beginning, and you've been a great supporter ever since. What's new this year is Doug Turnbull color case hardened shooting stick. We put some mammoth ivory night sights on them, just like they did on the old double rifles. You can get your name laser engraved in the wood, and those have been received extremely well. It's Nile crocodile boots from out of Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, and we're sure that'll be another runaway success for us. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you. Thank you, Britt.
This segment was brought to you by SCI, First for Hunters. This segment is brought to you by Crooked Horn Outfitters. A big eland bull had been seen in this area, So we looked for him several times, and one morning, there he is.
Let's angle down a bit, Craig, because look at all the hartebeest there, but the hartebeest are all going to the right already.
Mm-hmm.
If we go there, we might bring them back. If we went in a little like this and cut round behind them, I think it might be the better angle.
I think that's the better angle.
Okay. Just keep our eyes on them. Okay, so it's on the corner of that island. If we could cut across here and the game would run to the right. There's a bit of cover between us and him.
Yep.
Let's get to this next little clump. Yep.
It's very open to stalk a wary, sharp-eyed animal like an eland, but we have to try.
He's walking away from us, so let's make the most of it while he is. Was he about 600 yards from us, Craig? I wonder if we don't just take the direct approach here. Because there isn't a hell of a lot right here. The hartebeest have moved off a little. The reedbuck have moved off a bit. If we could try and get 150 yards out there, what would you shoot off your knees, or would we splay the sticks, Craig?
Probably splay the sticks would be the easiest.
Okay. I'd say we're about 300. 250. Okay. Let's wait for him to start strolling again, and then let's ease down and put the sticks up at the base. I think I'm in the best position. Let me just put your sticks up and then I'll move. You wanted to wait towards me, Craig? Okay. Okay, Jesse. How's that? Okay, just hold on one sec. He's looking at us. Let's just be a little careful. Of this clump of palm, just to the right. He's in the back, but he'll be 300 yards now. He's just got a tree straight over there. He comes out now. Good shot, good shooting. He's broken the near side shoulder.
Should I shoot again?
I think so, Craig. Give him one more. Good shot.
Yeah.
That'll put him down. That'll put him down.
That'll do.
I think your first shot was pretty good as well.
It felt like it, yeah. No, it felt fine. It felt fine.
His reaction to shot was perfect as well.
That second one was a solid.
Well done, Craig. Nice shooting.
Yeah.
And there was a rain. There was a way out there. Eh? Well done, Craig. Nice done. Nicely done. Should we go and have a look?
Let's see what we've done. Yeah. Totally.
Very nice ball, Craig. Nothing wrong with that at all, eh?
No, that's a beautiful evening.
Hey, well done. He actually is quite a bit older than he looked.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice old chap.
Mark, thank you so much.
Well then, Craig, that's a wonderful old trophy, isn't it?
Oh, he is. You know, this is really one of my favorite African animals, and certainly they're the tastiest.
And good shooting. That wasn't an easy shot.
Shooting the LAW 375 H&H with Hornady Dangerous Game Expanding, DGX.
This is the first bull we've taken this year.
Is it?
And from about now on, the bulls will start to move out into the open, yeah.
Well, we've heard rumors of this bull in this area since I got here, but this is the first glimpse we've had.
Yeah, I think this is the third or fourth time we've come to look for him, so.
And an impossible stalk. Well done.
Well done, Craig. Nasty work. Well, you spun the target.